Hi everyone, your girl's back with another video. I'm gonna go ahead and get started. I'm doing chicken Parmesan tonight. Yes, tonight. I've got my chicken breasts. They've already been seasoned, and if you watch any of my other videos, garlic powder, onion powder, seasoning salt, black pepper. And they've been seasoning, they've been sitting in the refrigerator for about 26 hours, so I'm gonna go ahead and cook them tonight. I've got 2 eggs. This is fresh Parmesan, and then I've got some Parmesan Romano, and I've got panko breadcrumbs. I'm gonna fry these, and I'll spin around. My sauce is already ready, cooking. It's jarred sauce, but you know, I've zhuzhed it up or doctored it up or added a bunch of stuff to it. I like it chunky for my chicken Parmesan, and I've got some canola oil in the skillet. So I'm gonna show you guys how I do this. I'm gonna get everything set up and then come back, and then we'll start cooking. Okay everyone, I've got 2 eggs here, and what I'm gonna do is crack these eggs in here. There's 2 of them. And to this I'm gonna add half a cup of water. And then get these all mixed up. Show you a quick cheater method. You know I always got something quick. My husband just recently been turned on to this, and he likes chicken Parmesan, and I always have. I usually go to Olive Garden and I get the tour of Italy, where you get a piece of Parmesan chicken, a slice of lasagna, some fettuccine to go with it. So I'm gonna put you guys back on pause and get this stuff cleaned up and get my chicken separated. Just wanted to show you how I added half a cup of water for 2 eggs. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm gonna take my seasoned panko breadcrumbs and I'm gonna pour them in this Ziploc bag. Quite a bit. Put some more in there. And then to this, I'm gonna add some Romano cheese to this also. Quite a bit. I'm just eyeballing this. And then mix this up. This is the breading. And then what I'm gonna do here is add the chicken to this. And I'm only gonna do a few at a time. I was debating on if I was going to bake these or fry them, but I'm going to fry them. So here I've got 1 chicken breast, 2. Now it's kind of small. That one's kind of big. 3, 4. Okay, got 4 of these in there like that. Then what I'm going to do is pour all of the egg and water mixture in there. And this will save you an extra step of having bowls and different things. So here, I've got my breading right here. So I'm gonna take 1 piece of chicken at a time and put it in here, and then get it really, really coated really well. Now normally a lot of people put this on a wire rack and let this sit. I'm not going to do that. I'm just gonna put it on a plate, and I like this packed on really, really good. Make sure you get these really good and coated. And there's one. Let me fix the camera. You can't see that. Okay. And here's the second one. Just getting them out of the egg and water mixture and dropping them in here. There's a lot of ways you can do this. You can put them in the oven. I started to put them in the oven for you guys to show you how you can bake them, but they're, I like them crispy. They're crispier if you fry them. So that's what I'm going to do. Make sure these are really coated good. And that's 2. And as you see, they're various sizes. I apologize. I did not take a mallet and make sure they were uniform size. I probably will for those still in the bag. But just wanted to show you how I do this for Parmesan chicken. And like I said, I'm using jarred sauce. I'm not using homemade sauce or anything. This is a very quick, gotta get everybody fed type of situation. And when I turn the clock around and show you, probably trip out. It is 12:10. I just got home from work and I knew I had to cook these tonight because I'm working a weird shift tomorrow and I won't be able to come home tomorrow night and cook these because I won't have time. I go in at 3 tomorrow, so I've got time to stay around tonight and mess around with some food, but tomorrow I'll get home at 11 and then I have to turn around and get back up at 9, so that's kind of difficult to do. So you get the gist of it. I've breaded 4 of these chicken breasts. I'm gonna put you on pause and turn the camera around. We'll get started cooking. I figured I'd show you guys right quick how some of these I'm gonna flatten out. I have a meat mallet and I'm just pounding this out. You should put it between 2 pieces of plastic, but your girl's not doing that. I'm just quickly making this more uniform so it'll cook faster. So I'm gonna put you back on pause. Just wanted to show you that right quick and we'll be cooking in just a second. I forgot to show you guys, I'm gonna be using bagged mozzarella. No, I'm not using fresh. I've got a little bit of bagged Parmesan left, and this is fresh Parmesan. So let me turn the camera around. I hear the grease is hot. Hold on. Okay. First one in. So that popped me right in the face. Let's hope I don't have a burn on my face tomorrow. You can see it, I've got my wire rack over here. Put the grease up a little bit hotter. And you really don't want these to cook too fast because you want the chicken to be pretty much done when you put it in the oven. That's why I'm really careful, because you guys know I love to be in a hurry and cook everything really fast on high heat, which is definitely a deal breaker. That'll mess you up with the chicken. I gotta cut the oven on. I'm gonna put it on 400. That's 375. That's enough. And very simple. So I'm gonna get this chicken going and then I'll come back and show you guys how it looks, because this will take all night. I'll put you back on pause for a moment. Okay, turn the first one over. Now I'm gonna turn the second one over. Not quite brown enough as I'd like them. So I'm gonna turn that one again and let them keep cooking, because I like them really crispy. That's why I'm using panko. So I'm gonna put you guys back on pause and let these cook a little longer, and then I'll come back. Okay guys, turn that one over. You see it looks really good as far as the color. And as you see, that's what happens when you don't flatten them out, because see, this side is really thick, and as you see, this one is cooking unevenly, so that one will definitely have to go in the oven for a much longer time than the other one, because you can see the thickness of it. So I'm going to go ahead and take this one out. I have a wire rack here that'll keep them from getting soggy. put the second one in. These are pretty big chicken breasts, which I was not happy about, but it is what it is. So I'm gonna put you guys back on pause and get some more of these cooking so you can see what they look like. I'm just frying chicken breasts. I'll be right back. Okay, I've got the second batch in. I'm gonna turn this one over so you can see. Brown pretty nicely. And since these are so big, like I said, I'm going to check them with a meat thermometer, but they're going to have to go in the oven for some time to cook because I didn't flatten them all out to make them uniform size. So once again, I'll put you back on pause. The oven's up to temp, and once I get these all cooked, I'll come back. Okay, everyone, as you see, they are huge. Do not do this. So I'm going to have to put these in the oven. I stuck the meat thermometer in a couple of them, and of course they're not done because they're so thick. I'll show you. Has to read 165, and that's only 134 for that one, even though they've been sitting a minute. And this one is reading 140 something. So I'm going to put you guys on pause, put these in the oven for 20 minutes at 375, and we'll check them again. Okay, I've been checking the temperature on these, and this one is reading 169 degrees, so we are good. This is 177. It's going down, but trust me, these are done. This is at 169. Okay, so I'm gonna put you on pause, get these set up, and then I'll tell you my joke. Okay, I'm just putting sauce on these. I like a lot of the crunchiness to still be showing, so I don't totally sauce my chicken Parmesan, but by all means, if you like them really saucy, go ahead and sauce them up. So turn the camera around. Nope, I decided to leave it just like it is. Okay, so this is fresh grated Parmesan. So I'm gonna put that on top of each one. Since it's chicken Parmesan. Then I have some mozzarella to go on top. It's traditional for chicken Parmesan to have some mozzarella on there. So I'm going to put these back in the oven for a few minutes just to melt the cheese on top, and then I'll take them out and show you guys my display. Let me put you on pause again. Just so you can see, I put them on broil because the chicken is done and I don't want it dried out. So I'm going to go ahead and close the door and let the cheese melt. I'll be right back. Okay, they're done. You see how they're browned on top just enough. I cooked just the cheese enough to get a little brown color on them. So I'm going to turn them around, set up my picture, and tell you guys my joke. This was a long video. I apologize. It is 1:16 in the morning and I have to work tomorrow. So let me put you on pause and tell you my joke. Okay guys, there you have it. Jen's chicken Parmesan, made pretty quick. If you want the crust to really stick, you might want to let them sit for a while. Most people put them in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes after they've dredged them, and then go ahead and cook them. But let me tell you my joke. It was a man, he had 3 daughters, and they were all going out on dates. So he had to survey or interview every gentleman that came to take out his daughters. So first knock on the door, the dad opens the door, and the guy says, "Hi, my name is Joe. I came to pick up Flo. Is she ready to go? I'm gonna take her to the show." So the dad says, "Nice to meet you. Yeah, that sounds like fun." He says, Hey Flo, Joe is down here. Are you ready to go? He's gonna take you to the show." "Yeah, Daddy, I'm ready." Down the stairs she goes and out the door. So second guy, he knocks on the door. Dad opens the door. He says, "Hi, my name is Freddie. I came to pick up Betty. Is she ready? I'm gonna take her to eat spaghetti." Dad says, "Yeah, that sounds good." He says, "Hey Betty, Freddie's down here. He's gonna take you to eat spaghetti. Are you ready?" "Yeah, Daddy, I'm ready." Down the stairs and out the door she goes. A few minutes later, there's a knock on the door. The guy says, "Hi, my name is Chuck." Dad says, "Oh, no, you don't." And he shut the door. You get it? Anyway, thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe, and share. This chicken Parmesan cooked really quick. And also, make sure you beat out all or flatten out all your chicken breasts to make sure they're even. That way they'll cook a little faster. These took longer because they were pretty thick, but my husband likes them thick. So anyway, have a good evening. God bless, and thanks for watching.